NLP versus NLU versus NLG, simple analogies. Confused about NLP, NLU, and NLG? Don't worry, here's the simplest way to understand them in under 2 minutes. Imagine you're at a restaurant. NLP, the whole restaurant. NLU, that's the waiter. Understanding your order. NLG, the response you get back. That's it, but let's break it down fast. NLP stands for natural language processing. It's everything that helps computers work with human language, reading, listening, and responding. Analogy. NLP is the entire restaurant system, menus, staff, kitchen, everything. NLU means natural language understanding. Analogy. It's the waiter who actually understands what you mean. Example. You say, "I'm starving." NLU understands. You want food. It focuses on meaning, intent, and context. NLG means natural language generation. Analogy. It's the system creating a response, like the waiter or chef delivering your order. Example. Here are some great restaurants nearby. NLP, RAS the whole system. NLU, RAS understanding language. NLG, RAS generating language. Think of it like a conversation. NLU listens, NLG speaks, NLP handles everything. And that's it. Now you'll never mix them up again. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.